Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be on the end of life for Windows 10 in October 2025. Some people will be looking for different options, and I just want to bring you this. It's called Zorin OS. It's a Linux operating system, and the best way to try Zorin OS would be if you have an old computer around, like in the closet or something, put it on that. If you're on a desktop on your main computer, you can add an SSD and put it in on that. And if you're on a laptop, you can use a USB stick. You can put it on that and try it right on the USB stick. This is the start button here. Got the start menu, just like in Windows. Have a couple of menus over here on the right. This is like your main menu. You have settings here where you can change settings. Zorin appearance, where you can change the appearance of your desktop, your environment, and stuff like that. And over here is all your applications. Okay, all applications, all in one list here. You can, okay, a whole list right there. Or you can do it by genre. You also have a search bar down here that you can type. Say Chrome browser, and you can just click on Chrome browser, and this will take you to the App Store, and you can put the install the Chrome browser. You could also do the same with Microsoft Edge. They have Microsoft Edge, and this is good for people that if you want your Google apps or your Microsoft apps, you can do it through those two browsers. Very simple. Myself, I do not use those. I use LibreWolf browser, Brave browser, and Firefox. These are all my applications like that I've probably installed, such as OpenShot, Simple Screen Recorder, photo. Let's say you want a photo editor. This one would be a good photo editor. Like if you don't want to learn GIMP is very hard to learn. That would be your main one. This one's a lot easier. You could probably learn this, in about an hour or less than that even. You change your colors on your photo. You can do a black and white, brightness, lighten it up, change the image size. Some other things here there's a bunch of things that you can do. Save your image after you work on it. Pretty simple. I use it a lot and it really works well. If you want something even more simple, this photo tool here, and you got all these little levers that you can go back and forth on to work on your picture. You can also save it here at File. Really easy. Screen recorder. People would normally use OBS, but I use this one because it's lighter, because this computer is just a Core Duo that I'm just testing these on. If you have a newer computer, of course, you could use OBS. That's a really good one. If you need a quick cutter, like a video cutter, this over here, video cutter, VLC to convert video or images. Here's a system profiler. I'll just show you that. That tells you all everything that you have on your computer. Over here I have an Intel Core Duo 8400, 3 gigahertz, 2007, and it works just great on it. It's pretty old. And then you have your panel here. They call it a panel. It's called a taskbar in Windows. Got a screenshot, a couple of screenshots. Takers here. Your task manager is called System Monitor here. I'll just open that up. You can check your CPU, how much it's being used. Like I got 37% here because I'm using a screen recorder. Otherwise, it would probably be like at 1 or 2% if I'm not doing anything on it. It's very light. Your mail app, I use Betterbird. It's a fork of Thunderbird. You know, if you don't want to use it in the browsers and stuff like that, like I was telling you before, you could put all your emails right here in Betterbird. I'll just open it up for you. Okay, you got this toolbar. You can add things to the toolbar. Everything is pretty much hidden behind these headings. It's in Thunderbird. There will be different. You have all about like 3 toolbars, and it's very confusing. This is very easy. It's very light, and I don't know how many emails you can put on it, but you can put a few on them. Works really well. Now over here, here's your calendar. You can schedule your events and stuff like that. Here's your system volume right here. And here's like my microphone, the volume for the microphone here, and some other things that you can change down here, dark mode, night light, and stuff like that. Your settings, you can go through here also. File Explorer, just like in Windows. Okay. If I right click on a picture or an image, okay, I can look at it over here, open with image viewer, open with another application, copy, paste, all these other things that you do in Windows, you can do. Properties, it's pretty much the same. You have all the headings here, your pictures, your videos, all that stuff like it. Pretty much the same. If you click on your desktop, also you can go to settings through here, and you can do a bunch of other things also. Display settings. Right click on your taskbar, taskbar settings. Okay. And you can change the settings on the taskbar. You can move the position of the taskbar to the left, like right here. Top, left, right. You can put the taskbar anywhere you want. and other things that you can look at. Anyways, that's Zorin OS. Do you think it's a viable option when you're finished with Windows 10? Let me know in the comments section if you like it or not. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.